Hello, students. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. We'll continue with the trigonometric lesson which we were doing. I'll put the questions on the board. We were doing difficult level questions, Tadadi. So today is the last day for trigonometric functions. That's why we will try to complete as much as possible. I'm putting the questions on the board. You can start it. Good afternoon, Saundari. Good afternoon. I think your name is Praveen. Oh, Lohit, you are right. Lohit gave the answer first. So let me explain to those who did not understand or those who did not get it. it is given that sin x plus cosecant x equal to 2. From that, we can guess if you put x as pi by 2, sine pi by 2 plus cosecant pi by 2. This is 1 and this is also 1. In that way, you will get. That we can guess. So in order to find this, sine power 11x plus cosecant power nx. I will put x as pi by 2. And here also cosecant power n pi by 2. Now sine pi by 2 is 1 power 11. Cosecant pi by 2 is also 1 power n. 1 power 11 will be 1. 1 power n will be also 1 power anything will be. So the answer will be 2. Option A. Instead of sine power 11, if you have sine power n also, if this power is n, then also it will be 2. 1 power n plus 1 power n will be. Okay, you can try 7. Praveen gave the answer.
Praveen Jayanandra.
Yes, madam.
Happened suddenly the answer disappeared.
What, madam?
I don't see the answer. Which answer you gave that I couldn't see, it disappeared. For question number 7. Lohit gave the answer 0. And that's correct. Let me tell those who did not get yet.
Zero, madam.
Yes, 0 is correct. Sine theta 1 plus sine theta 2 plus sine theta 3 is given as 3. That means 1 plus 1 plus 1, you will get 3. And that means theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. All the 3 should be equal to pi by 2. Because then only sine pi by 2 is 1, sine pi by 2 is 1, sine pi by 2 is 1. 1 plus 1 you will get. But you have to find cosine theta 1, cosine pi by 2, plus cosine theta 2, cosine pi by 2, plus cosine theta 3, cosine pi by 2, which is 0 plus 0 plus 0. The final answer is 0. Okay, now you can try it. Soundarya got B as the answer, but that's not correct. Lohit got 8 as the answer, and that is correct. Option A is correct. Let us see how. You are given cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta. So we will start with this. I'll take sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta minus cos theta, or sin theta equal to root 2 minus 1 into cos theta. I have pulled out, I have taken cos theta common. So I can write cos theta as sin theta by root 2 minus 1. After doing this, I will rationalize. I will multiply up and down by root 2 plus 1. In doing so, you can see you will get cos theta equal to sin theta by root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1. Particularly these two, when you multiply, you will have a square minus b square, but numerator will be same. Only denominator a square minus b square. So keep the numerator same. In denominator 2 minus 1, which is 1. So you're left with cos theta equal to root 2 sin theta plus sin theta. Or cos theta minus sin theta will be root 2 sin theta. In the question, they're asking you what is cos theta minus sin theta, and that is root 2 sin theta. So option A is the answer. Let's go to the next set of questions. Try this. Question number 9. Again, Lohit got answer first. Answer is A. Let me tell you how to get the answer A. That's right, Lohit. So you are supposed to find P sin theta minus Q cos theta by P sin theta plus Q cos theta. To find this, you divide by cos theta everywhere. Divide by cos theta. Divide by cos theta. Divide by cos theta. On doing so, cos theta will cancel and you will have P tan theta minus Q by P tan theta plus Q. But tan theta is given to you as P by Q. So write P by Q minus Q. And here P into tan theta is P by Q plus Q. So that means you will have P square by Q minus Q, P square by Q plus Q, or P square minus Q square by Q by P square plus Q square by Q, or P square minus Q square by Q into Q by P square plus Q square. Q and Q will cancel. The final answer is P square minus Q square by P square plus Q square. This is how our option A is. Try question number 10. Kumar, why are you disturbing Lohit? Even you try, Lohit. Sorry, Kumar, even you try. Praveen, Kumar, you are not trying, you are simply chatting with each other. Lohit is trying seriously, he is getting correct answers. Don't disturb him. You also don't get disturbed. Start trying, start getting answers. Kumar got the answer C, but that is not correct, Kumar. Kumar got B. Very good. That's correct, Kumar. B is the correct answer. Let us see how B. It's given A plus B whole square equal to 4AB sine square theta. You have to start using this. So from this, sine square theta is A plus B whole square by 4AB. Once you get sine square theta, you know that sine theta will be always between -1 and +1. Sine square theta will be in between 0 and 1. So because sine square theta is lesser than or equal to 1, I have A plus B whole square is lesser than or equal to 4A. Or A plus B whole square minus 4AB is lesser than or equal to 0. As per algebraic formula, A plus B whole square minus 4AB is A minus B whole square lesser than or equal to. Because the power is 2, because it is square, it can never be lesser than 0. It cannot be negative. So A minus B whole square left of is must be equal to 0. Or A minus B 0. Or A. So I got A equal to B, that is option. Now you can try question number 11. Yes, Kumar. Question number 11. Option A is correct. Praveen is correct. Now, how did you get this answer 3? For that, what I will do is, I will take what is given. What's given? 12 sine theta minus 9 sine square theta. It is theta, not 9. This one is also theta. Now I have to pull common. While pulling out common, I will pull out minus 9 common. When I pull out minus 9, I will have sine square theta minus 12 by 9 sine. Or I can write this 3 4s, 3 3s. Minus 9 sine square theta minus 4 by 3 sine. This way I get. Now I will complete the square. Minus 9 a square minus 2 into a into b, something like this. So what I need is b square. See, this is a square. This is minus 2ab. So I need b square extra. I need 2 by 3 whole square. So when you are adding, you have to subtract 2 by 3. That's why I added b square and subtracted b square. Here I want b square. So I added b square and subtracted b square to balance. I am making perfect square. So minus 9 into a minus b whole square. These 3 I am writing a minus b whole square minus 4 by 9. This is what I have. So when I multiply, I will have minus 9 into sine theta minus 2 by 3 whole square plus 4. Or I have 4 minus 9 into sine theta minus 2 by 3 whole square. So from 4, I am subtracting something. That means obviously it will be lesser than or equal to 4. But if I take less than 4, I will not get maximum. Or if I take equal to 4, I will not get maximum. Which one will give me maximum value? If I put 4, will I get maximum value? If I put 3, because in the option what I have 3 and 4 and 2. There are 3 options which are lesser than or equal to 4. Which option should I take? Lesser than or equal to 4 to get the maximum of value. Think over. If I put 2, will I get maximum? If I put 3, will I get maximum? If I put 4, will I get maximum? 4 will give me maximum. So 3 is not correct. The maximum value is 4. 2, 3, 4 of all, because I know here the answer will be lesser than or equal to 4. Lesser than or equal to 4 means it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4. Of all the 3, 4 is the maximum. So I have to go to 4. B. Who told 4? Vidya told 4. Praveen, you told B and A. Only B is correct. Vidya, B is correct. Praveen, you are telling B and A. Lohit told B. Yeah, Lohit's answer is correct. Vidya's answer is correct. Even I thought 3, but it is 4. 4 is the maximum of all. Yes, next question. Well, Kumar, A is not the correct answer. Chandana, C is not the correct answer. Kumar, why did you say B? I said A is not correct, C is not correct. So did you say B is correct because of that? Don't guess, Kumar. Do the problem. Praveen is confused. A or B? Kumar, you said all. I said A is not correct. I said C is not correct. Then you tried with B. And now you're saying D. A, B, C, D. All answers you have tried. Yes, Vidya, B is correct. Yes, Lohit, B is correct. Why? Let us see. 10 sine power 4 alpha plus 15 cos power 4 alpha equal to 6. So there is one way to guess. One answer is to guess. How to guess? What is the easiest way to guess? You can put alpha as 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 and check. When you will get 6. That is one method. But guessing will take a lot of time. So if we go in long method, 10 sine power 4 alpha plus 15 cos power 4 alpha, write 6 into 1. 6 you write as 6 into 1. And 1 you write as sine square alpha plus cos square alpha, and then square it also. Sine square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. 1 you are squaring, so you will get 1. 6 into 1 will be 6. I did not change the question. Now what we will do? Divide everywhere by cos power 4 alpha. Cos power 4 alpha. Here inside the square you have to divide by cos square alpha because it is squared. So in other words, you are dividing by cos power 4 only, both the sides. So you have tan power 4 alpha. This will cancel. Plus 15. 6 into tan square alpha. And then plus. And then whole square. So 10 tan power 4 alpha plus 15 equal to 6 into a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Or 10 tan power 4 alpha plus 15 equal to 6 tan power 4 alpha plus 12 tan square alpha plus 6. Or 10 minus 6, 4 tan power 4 alpha minus 12 tan square alpha, 15 minus 6, that is 9 equal to 0. Now when you factorize it, you will have 2 tan square alpha minus 3 whole square equal to 0. Or 2 tan square alpha minus 3 equal to 0. Tan square alpha is 3 by 2. Cot square alpha is 2 by 2. The reciprocal. But what you have to find? You have to find 27 cosecant power 6 alpha plus 8 secant power 6 alpha. So I can write this cosecant power 6 as cosecant square alpha whole cube. Then 8 secant square alpha whole cube. Cosecant square I can write cot square alpha plus 1. And secant square alpha I can write 1 plus tan square alpha whole cube. I got cot square alpha as 2 by 3 plus 1 whole cube and tan square alpha as 3 by 2 whole cube. So 27 into 2 plus 3, 5 by 3 whole cube. 8 into 2 plus 3, 5 by 2 whole cube. 27 into 125 by 27. 8 into 125 by 8. 27 will cancel, 8 will cancel. 250 is the final answer. That's why option. Now try question number 30. Yes, 13th option. Vidya got A, Chandana got A, Praveen got A, and that is correct. How? How they are in AP? How can you say that? Let us see. Suppose cos power 4 theta secant square alpha 1 by 2 and sin power 4 theta cosecant square alpha. Suppose they are in AP. If you think like that, then cos power 4 theta secant square alpha plus sin power 4 theta cosecant square alpha will be equal to, if they are in AP, it will be equal to 2 times 2 into 1 by 2. That is the rule. Why? Do you know? If A, B, C are in AP, then A plus C will be equal to 2. That is what I do. A plus C equal to 2. If at all they are in A. We are assuming that they are in A. Now I'll write cos power 4 theta secant square alpha. I will write cos square alpha. Instead of secant square, I'm writing cos square. Right? 1 by cos square alpha. Or easy method, what I will do, I got one easy method. Just now while thinking, I got one easy method. What I will write is cos power 4 theta, I will write cos square theta whole square. And then secant square alpha. plus sine power 4 theta, I will write sine square theta whole square, cosecant square alpha equal to. Now, 1 cos square theta, I will write as 1 minus sine square theta. The other cos square theta, I will keep it as cos square theta in the first question. And then sine square alpha will be same. This sine power 4 theta I have. Total I have sine power 4 theta. Right? So how to write that sine power 4 theta whole thing? I will write 1 sine square theta same. The other sine square theta, I will write 1 minus cos square. And cosecant square alpha equal to 1. Now, I will write 1 minus sine square theta into cos square theta, secant square alpha as cos square alpha, 1 by cos square. And here, sine square theta into 1 minus cos square theta, cosecant square alpha, I will write 1 by sine square equal to 1. This is what I till now. Now, if I take LCM, 1 minus sine square theta into cos square theta into sine square alpha plus sine square theta into 1 minus cos square theta into cos square alpha, denominator cos square alpha sine square alpha equal to 1. I have that. Which I will take it to the other side. So I have 1 minus sine square theta into cos square theta sine square alpha same plus sine square theta into 1 minus cos square theta cos square alpha same. The other side will be cos square alpha sine square alpha. The denominator I am multiplying to the other side. Everything is simple. Now, I will try to put everything in terms of sine. All I will get it in terms of sine. I'll see that no more cosine is there. Cos is no more there. That I have to see. So what I will do? 1 minus sine square theta, I will keep same. At present, I will keep cos square theta also. I will not disturb it. This is also sine square alpha same. Now I will take sine square theta into 1 minus cos square theta into cos square alpha equal to This cos square alpha I will write as 1 minus sine square alpha into sine square alpha. I'm changing only the right side. So on the right side, I will have sine square alpha minus sine power 4 alpha. So first I have changed the right side. Okay. So now left side, how will I change? 1 minus sine square theta, cos square theta, sine square alpha will be same. First term I will keep same. My mind has a different idea. So what to change, what not to change, I will decide. In the second term, what changes I have to make? I will change cos square alpha. I will write sine square theta, cos square alpha I will write as 1 minus sine square alpha equal to sine square alpha minus sine power 4 alpha. Now I will multiply everything. Particularly in the first term, I will have cos square theta, sine square alpha minus sine square theta, cos square theta, sine square alpha. In the second term, sine power 4 theta into 1 is sine power 4 theta minus sine power 4 theta into sine square alpha equal to sine square alpha minus sine power 4 alpha. So right side I will make 0 by bringing all the terms to this side. I will bring all the terms to this side. So what I will do? Before bringing it to this side, I will write cos square theta as 1 minus sine square theta into sine square alpha minus sine square theta into 1 minus sine square theta cos square theta into sine square alpha plus sine power 4 theta minus sine power 4 theta sine square alpha minus sine square alpha plus sine power 4 alpha equal to 0. All change to sine. Now multiply sine square alpha minus sine square theta sine square alpha minus sine square theta sine square alpha plus sine power 4 theta sine square alpha. Just I am multiplying, nothing new. Sine power 4 theta sine square alpha plus sine power 4 theta minus sine power 4 theta sine square alpha minus sine square alpha plus sine power 4 alpha equal to 0. Now everywhere sines only, no cos, so that I can cancel sine square alpha. Is any other term getting cancelled? Sine power 4 theta sine square alpha minus sine power 4 theta sine square alpha is getting cancelled. So left is minus 2 sine square theta sine square alpha plus sine power 4 theta plus sine power 4 alpha equal to 0. This is looking like a square plus b square minus 2ab. How it is looking like that? If you observe carefully, this I can write sine square theta whole square. This I can write sine square alpha whole square. And this I can write minus 2 sine square theta sine square alpha equal to 0. That's why I said a square plus b square minus 2a. So I can write a minus b whole square equal to 0. Or sine square theta minus sine square alpha equal to 0. Or sine square theta equal to sine square alpha. This is what I have. Sine square theta equal to sine square alpha. Okay. If sine square theta is sine square alpha, 1 minus cos square theta will be equal to 1 minus cos square alpha. Or cos square theta will be equal to cos square alpha. So I got two things. Sine square theta equal to sine square alpha. Cos square theta equal to cos square alpha. Clearly, I got these two if they are in AP. Then what they're asking in the question? They're asking about cos power 8 theta secant square alpha. Cos power 8 theta secant square alpha 1 by 2 and sine power 8 cosecant power 6 alpha. They are asking about this. So I can write cos power 8 theta as cos square theta whole power 4. I want to see what happens to this. And secant square alpha, I will write cos 1 by cos square alpha. 1 by 2. Then sine power 8 theta, I will write sine square theta whole power 4. And cosecant power 6 alpha, I will write 1 by sine power 6 alpha. Because I got cos square theta equal to cos square alpha whole power 4 by cos square alpha. I got sine square theta as sine square alpha whole power 4 by sine power 6 alpha. What I can do? Here I will have cos power 8 minus 2. Cos power 6 alpha. Here 1 by 2. And here I will have sine power 8 minus 6. Sine power 2 alpha. I made one mistake. This is secant power 6 alpha. So here also I will get cos square alpha. Now if you see cos square alpha half and sine square alpha, cos square alpha plus sine square alpha is 2 into 1 by 2. Because this is 1 and this is 1. So what I got here is A, B, C are there. I got A plus B, A plus C as 2B. I got A plus C as 2B. That means what they asked for, they are in AP. All these three are in AP, arithmetic progression. So this is one long method to prove. But there is one shortcut method also by putting theta as some value, alpha as some value. But that will be difficult. This is only little bit easy. Okay, see you tomorrow with a new lesson. With this, we will end the class.